Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your smart devices. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to download the Xfinity app on your Samsung Smart TV in 2025. Whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or managing your home Wi-Fi, the Xfinity app is a game changer for seamless streaming and control. This guide is quick, easy, and tailored for beginners, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is powered on and connected to the internet. You'll need a stable Wi-Fi connection for this to work smoothly. Once you're set, grab your remote and head to the home screen by pressing the home button. It's usually the one with the house icon, easy peasy. Next, navigate to the apps section. On most Samsung Smart TVs, this is found on the home screen or by selecting the apps icon. If you don't see it right away, use the search function to type in apps. Now, look for the Samsung App Store or the dedicated App Store icon. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to type Xfinity. It should pop up as one of the top results. Xfinity is a popular app, after all. Select the Xfinity app from the list, and then hit the Install or Download button. Depending on your TV model and internet speed, this might take a minute or two, so grab a quick snack while it downloads. After the download is complete, the app will automatically install. Open it up, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Xfinity credentials. Enter your username and password, and boom, you're all set. If you run into any issues, like the app not appearing, try restarting your TV or checking for software updates in the settings menu. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Xfinity app on your Samsung Smart TV. This app will let you stream live TV, manage your account, and more, all from your big screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.